In electrical and instrumentation systems, earth, grounding, and shielding are critical for safety, noise reduction, and proper system functionality. Here's a breakdown of each concept. 1. Earthing. Purpose: provides a safe path for fault currents to dissipate into the ground, protecting personnel and equipment from electric shock. Applications: equipment, earthing, metal. Enclosures of electrical devices are earthed to prevent hazardous voltages. Lightning protection. Lightning arresters divert high voltage surges to the ground. Neutral earthing in power systems ensures stable voltage reference and fault current return path. Methods: plate earthing uses a copper or GI plate buried in the ground. Pipe earthing uses a galvanized iron pipe with charcoal and salt for better conductivity. Rod earthing uses copper bonded or galvanized rods driven deep into the soil. 2. Grounding reference, ground. Purpose: establishes a common reference, 0.0 volts for electrical circuits, to ensure signal integrity and reduce noise. Applications: signal ground used in instrumentation, for example, PLCs, DCS, sensors to provide a stable reference. DC power ground used in control systems to avoid floating voltages. Shield grounding prevents EMI by grounding cable shields at one end. Types: single point grounding, best for low frequency signals to avoid ground loops. Multi-point grounding, used in high frequency systems to minimize impedance. 3. Shielding. Purpose: protects signals from electromagnetic interference, EM, and radio frequency interference, RFI. Applications: cable shielding prevents noise coupling in instrument cables, for example, thermocouples, RTDs, analog signals. Equipment shielding, metal enclosures, block external EM. Types of shields: foil shield, lightweight, used for high-frequency noise. Braided shield, flexible, better for low-frequency noise. Combination shield, both foil and braid for maximum protection. Grounding rules for shield: single-end grounding, prevents ground loops, best for analog signals. Double-end grounding, used in high-frequency or high-noise environment. Separate earth and ground. Avoid mixing power earth with instrument ground to prevent noise. Shield grounding for analog signals. Ground the shield at one end, usually the control system side. Low impedance path, ensure earthing resistance is 1 ohms for safety. Surge protection. Use lightning arresters and surge suppressors in the grounding system. Earthing equals safety, fault protection. Grounding equals signal stability, reference voltage. Shielding equals noise prevention. EMI, RFI, protection. Please can you kindly subscribe to my YouTube for more practical solutions. https://www.youtube.com/@technologyq